Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a baby face effect for your TikTok video in CapCut. So first you need to add a photo to CapCut, and then I'm going to make a before and after. So I'm going to copy the photo like this, so that's two. So here is for the before or the now photo, and here is for the baby face effect. So you need to click on the photo, and then you can go to effects and choose photo effects and find the face swap, and then choose the baby face. Click on that, and then it will generating like this. So you can find the baby face effect in photo effects on or also in the style. That's up to you. So I'm going to resize it like this so that it fits. Then I'm going to add a transition here, the then and now, I think. And then here I'm going to click on a check icon. So here is the before or the now, and here is the then. And then you can just export the video, click on arrow down, and then share it to your TikTok. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below, click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.